You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Open Facebook in a browser or the app and log into your account. Go to your profile by clicking on your name. On your profile, click on the Friends tab to see your full friends list. Click the pencil icon or the edit button near the top of this friends list. A privacy menu will open. Here you will see an option that says who can see your friends list. Click on the audience selector next to it, which likely says public or friends. To hide it, select only me from the drop-down menu. This makes your friends list completely private, visible only to you. You can also choose a custom audience if you want to exclude specific people. Click Save to apply the change. To hide who you follow or your following list, you need to adjust a separate setting. Go to your profile, click More, then click Followers. Click the gear icon and adjust the privacy for who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Remember, people might still infer friendships if you are tagged together, but your full list is now hidden. You can also review tags in your activity log. These settings help you control your social graph privacy. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.